Hello friends, welcome to CrackGate CSE, and in this series of algorithm, today we will be discussing some previous year gate questions on hashing. So in the previous video also we have discussed some previous year gate questions on hashing, and we will be continuing with few more gate questions in this particular video also. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and make sure you have pressed the bell button so that you can get a notification whenever I am uploading any new video. So start with the first question. In first question, it is giving that a hash table of length 10 uses the open addition technique with the hash function which is given as k mod 10, and we have used linear probing, right? So after inserting 6 values into an empty hash table, the table is shown as below. So when we have inserted 6 values, the table looks like this. Which one of the following choices gives a possible order in which key values could have been inserted in the table? So these are the 4 sequence or the possible order is given, and they are asking out of these 4 which one is the correct order to get this particular table. So the right answer is C, but let's see how we are getting the right answer. So this is a particular table. Now first of all, you can observe that what are those particular key values which are getting collision and which are at the right place. So this 42 is at the right place because 42 mod 10 is 2, so this is at right place. 23 mod 10 is 3, this is also at right place. 34 mod 10 is 4, this is also at right place. But 52 mod 10 is 2, that means it might have started from here, and when there is a collision it moved on to the next. Here also it found that collision, then it moved on the next, and finally it got the values here, right? It stored over here when it found the empty slot. So this is for 52. What does it mean? That this 52 should be inserted after these 3 values, because if we insert this 52 before any of these values, this 52 will occupy the upper slot because earlier they was available. So once if we inserted these 3 values, then only we can insert 52 to make sure that it is on the 5th place, it is not in the any other slot. Now if you check for 6th, which is 46, 46 mod 10 is 6 only, so this is also at right place. That means this can also be inserted in any order like these 3 values. Then we are having 33. Now 33 mod 10 is 3, that means the 33 might have started from this particular place. Here it got a collision, so it moved on to the next place. Here also it got a collision, so it moved on to the next place. Similarly, it keeps on checking for the next available slot which was available on the 7th place, right? So this 52 and this 33 are the 2 key values on which you have to focus. So this 52 has to be inserted after these 3 values, while this 33 has to be inserted after all these values, because if you insert this 33 before any other values, it will be capturing or it will be filled in a particular slot which is available earlier, because here it will not be a collision if we insert it earlier. So this 52 has to be after 42, 23 and 34, right? Then 56 can be inserted in any order, but this 33 has to be in the end. Now from this you can check the options. B and D are not option, not the right answer, because 33 is inserted earlier. So if we insert 33 earlier, it will be going into any other slots among these 5 slots instead of this 7. So this B and this D cannot be the answer. Answer is C, but let's see how. Now you can see one thing, that here the 52, here the 52 is stored before 23. This 52 is stored before 23. If you store this 52 before 23, instead of 23 there will be 52, right? So if there is 52 over here, then it is not same as this particular table. Therefore A is also not the answer. But if you check this C option, 46 can be inserted in any manner, but it should be before 33. So yes, it is before 33, so it is correct. 52 is after these three values, that means 34, 42 and 23. So the C is the right option. So you can just check it down from this and you can strike out the options which are not matching, and you can just run the hashing only for those options which are matching, like A and D in this particular question. Now in this particular question, these two questions was linked question in GATE 2010. So this also came in the 2010 with this particular question. So the question was same as this: how many different insertion sequences of the key values using the same hash function, that is k mod n, and linear probing will result in the hash table as this? So what is it? We are having values as 42, 23, 34, 52, 46 and 33. So we got to know that this 33 should be inserted in the last. That means here we are left with these 5 values. Among these 5 values, this 46 can be inserted in any order. It can be inserted in the first time, it can be inserted after this, let me show, it can be inserted over here, it can be inserted after 42, it can be inserted after 23, it can be inserted after 34, and it can be inserted after 52. So to insert 46 we are having 5 ways, right? But now we are left with these 4, that means 42, 23, 34 and 52, and among these 4 values, this 52 should be inserted after these 3 values, because if we insert 52 before any of these 3 values, it will be occupying any other field, right? So how many ways we can arrange this? 3 factorial ways. So what is the right answer? 3 factorial to arrange this, and 5 ways for 46. So we can write it as 6 into 5, which is nothing but 30. So the right answer is 30, right? In this question, the keys 12, 18, 13, 2, 3, these are the keys given, which are inserted into an empty hash table of length 10. So we are having the hash tables of length 10, and we are using open addressing with hash function as k mod 10 and linear probing. So what is the resultant hash table? So we'll be inserting the values one by one. So first I'm having this 12. So first 12 will be inserted. So 12 mod 10 is 2. That means 12 has to be at second place. But here 2 is at second place. That means A is not a possible solution, right? Here 12 is here. So this one is right. This one is right. This is not possible in open addressing technique, right? So this is strictly not the answer. Now among these two we have to check. Next is 18. 18 mod 10 is 8. That means 18 has to be at 8th place. So this is right in both of these. Now 13. 13 mod 10 is 3. So 13 has to be at 3rd place, present in both. Next move on to the 2. So 2. 2 mod 10 is 2. So that means 2 has to be at 2nd place. But 2nd place there is a collision in both. So it will be checking for the next place. Here it is a collision. It will check the next place. Here it is a collision. 2 has to be stored over here, but it is not available here. But here you can see that 2 is stored here. So that means C is the right answer. No need to check for further case. So this is how you can find out the solution. This question came in GATE 2006. So I hope you got an idea how to solve these kind of questions. So thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to discuss any doubt, any problem with me, you can just go to the description and check my Facebook links. Thank you very much for your support. Keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.